Yeah, hi Venki. Hope you are doing good. And too late for this session, right? I'm sharing my screen here also. I mean, till now we have done with FICO enterprise structure configurations, FICO global setting configuration. Today, the most important topic is general ledger configurations, right? So, whatever we have done, till now, you can just go back to those classes and take that server and practice in that server. Here you will get more errors. Why? Because you are new to this SAP FSCO training, right? No worries. Whenever you get that errors, please try to contact me, or else you can just search it on the Google. I think you are the new one for this SAP FSCO, right? You will not get that much of information. You will not understand in the Google only. You can just contact me. I will give you the proper explanation for that. Whenever you get some doubts or some errors on these configurations, just you need to understand about the basic errors. Why the error uh, is populating, and for this configuration only, every time why this error is populated, you just need to understand this basic understanding of the particular errors. Then only you will learn SAP FICO. So when you scare about these errors, you will not learn. Okay. So whenever you get scared based on these errors, okay, you would not get that much of result. So you could get, but you would not get. Okay. So today, the first configuration of the general ledger configurations or posting key. You can just go to the transaction code OB41, and again this one is, and again I'm logging into this user ID and password. Yeah, yeah. SAP server access is opened, and here you can just go to the transaction code OB41. So this is the transaction code for creating the posting keys. Before we create these posting keys, you need to know a little bit about the posting keys. Posting key is a 2-digit key to control line items. Okay, whether the posting is debit or credit. Normally, the type of account the entry will be made to, whether it is a GL account, I will show you this one. It is a GL account, or whether it is a vendor account, or whether it is asset account, or whether it is a customer account, or else whether it is a material account. So to create the posting keys, you can just go to the create option here and give your posting key. 40 is the posting key, right? What is the posting key? 40. Name of posting key is debit entry. Okay, and click on the enter option. So the error is showing. What is that error? Posting key 40 already exists. The posting key 40 is already there in this configurations, right? In the OB41 transaction code. So you no need to create 40. All right, I will show you this one, and this is a 2-digit key, and this is the debit entry. Name is the debit entry, and this is the debit. And for which account type that we are creating for the GL account only. Okay. Then next, go to the create option, and here give the 50 as posting key, and this is the credit entry. When you click on the enter option, the the system will show you like this. What is that error? Posting key 50 already exists. The posting key 50 key is already exist. We no need to create new posting. Why? Because in the demo server, some of the persons will create like this only. Yeah, no worries according to this. So you told me that in the afternoon only you have configured these general ledger configurations, right? No worries. So for viewers only, I'm showing these configurations, and I'm giving the explanation about these configurations only. So posting key is already done, right? Then next step, what is a chart of accounts? Second configuration is chart of accounts. We will have the transaction code OB30. Here, the new entries will be there. So we have already created, right? So I'm taking once again for the viewers only. I'm here. Yeah. Description is what we have created. Operating chart of accounts we have created. Here, what is the operating chart of accounts? Operating chart of accounts contain the GL accounts, okay, that you use for daily postings in your company code only. And financial accounting and controlling both use this chart of accounts. What is that? Operating chart of accounts. Okay. So here in the general specification, maintain language only, you can see this one, that is English. Okay. And length of the GL accounts, whatever you want, you can give. The demo server will take any that one. That is 6. If that's 6, it will take. Or else you can just drop down this option. It will take 10 also only. Okay, just take 10. No worries. That is 0, 0. That key option is 0, 0. Then controlling integration. See, Venki, whenever you are posting those invoices in FB50, FB60, FB70 transaction codes, we will have those line items, right? Cost centers, profit centers, business areas, like that. So when you give this manual creation of cost elements, you can just need to give this cost center only. And when you click on this drop down option, we will have automatic creation of cost elements, right? So when you create those cost elements, the system will automatically pick up those cost centers and profit centers like that. So that is why we'll use this integration option, right? And consolidation purpose only. So later I will tell you what is the consolidation accounts. Okay, so no need to worry about this one. Then just go to the save button and save it. Okay, so why it has not saved? Why? Because an entry already existed with same key. We have already created these chart of accounts. Operating chart of accounts. You don't need to worry about this one. Just click on the into option and then go to the new entries. What is this second one? SA3 is there, group chart of accounts is there, right? And in the description also you can just give group chart of accounts. And what do you mean by group chart of accounts? These chart of accounts contain GL accounts that are used by the entire corporate group. This enables group reporting. Okay, in our YouTube channel only, we can just I will post all those theory with the slides only. You can just follow the YouTube channel also. You will try to learn that one. Learn that subject only. So here, maintain language, you can just give English. Okay. And the length of GL account is same, 6 or 9 or 10, whatever it may be. Then just go to the save button and save it. Okay. So we have already configured this group chart of accounts. No need to worry. And go to the into option. Then next, what is the next one? Country specific chart of accounts. Country specific chart of accounts contains the GL account. That needed to meet a specific country legal reporting requirements. R2 is the country specific chart of accounts, and you can give the country specific chart of accounts here and give English option. your language, no worries. Okay, and length of the GL account is, you can give 6, and manual creation of cost elements. I will tell you country specific chart of accounts is all, why it is very important also. I mean, it is optional for you also, for any company also. Why? Because I will give you a basic example. Suppose you have established your company, your company code in the United States of America. So for this, you need to have a report for the 6 months, for the quarterly, and also for 1 year only. You need to have one proper report. What is your profit and what is your loss? Based on that only, you will take that report, right? So based on this country specific chart of accounts only, you would get that report. Otherwise, it will not be very important to create this country specific chart of accounts. If you have the one company code in the United States of America, Canada, or London, so you need to create this country specific chart of accounts. As per the client only, we can create that one. I mean, based on the as is document and to be document only, we can create that one. Right? So I mean, in your mind, those questions will arise. Well, I mean, what is this as is document and what is this to be document? Later, you will come to know what is the as is document and what is a to be document. Okay. So no worries about this one. Presently, I am in the data migration project. Okay. So I will give you overall exact subject for the data migration also, for the implementation also, and for the support also. You no need to worry about this one. Right? You can just go to the into mark option, click on that one. So we have created operating chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, country specific chart of accounts. Create, creation of all these are not at all important. Okay, you can create. You can see, you will see those configurations in the YouTube, and you can create that one. The most important thing is assigning company code. Assigning company code to the particular chart of accounts or particular fiscal year variant or particular field status group is very important. Why it is very important? I will show you one thing. Here, go to the FB50 transaction code. There is a company code here. I mean, in the header text only, not the header text. I mean, in the screen only, there is a company code. So here the company code is SAR. Okay, enter all valid dates. Why I am giving this company code? Why? Because I have created this company code for my company only, and those records will be recorded in this company code only. Okay, so if you take another company code, it will not work for quarterly and for half yearly and for yearly only. You will not get that report. So there is no use. When you don't give this company code to, in the GL account or in any invoice postings like FB60 and FB70. Okay. So company code, assigning company code is very important. Okay. No worries. Then / in the search button. Okay. So what is the transaction code? Assigning a company code to the chart of accounts. That is OB62. The data is logged by user 49 user 5 and can be displayed on. Okay, here we are not getting new entries, right? For this, you can in the search button you can just give / in and give your transaction code SM12. So 49 user 5 is there, right? Here give the 5 and go to the list. Here Control A and delete all these. So why? Because they are using and they are creating chart of accounts and they are assigning only at the same time. So no worries. So go to the transaction code OB62. Here, go to the position. Whatever we have created, that company code you can just give. Yeah, we have created operational chart of accounts and country specific chart of accounts, right? I will also show you. go to the drop down option, and in the find out option, SAR1 is the operating chart of accounts, right? And click on this one. Then next, country specific chart of accounts. Go to the finding option, and SAR2 is there. Give the country specific chart of accounts and go to the save button and save it. Okay, the data was saved. We have created chart of accounts and we have assigned the company code to these chart of accounts, or else you can say it in another way. Assign of chart of accounts to the particular company code, this company code, right? Yeah. Then next one is account group. What do you mean by account group? I will show you. The transaction code is OBD4, and again the error is coming. 4971, right? Go to the SM12. 14, 17, okay, and go to the list option. That is not there, right? Okay, go to the OBD4. Oh, and again 49 user 71. Okay, here go to the SM12, click on the enter. Sorry, here in the user give the 71.1. Okay, and go to the list. Okay, so control E and delete that one. Okay, we have cleared the history, and go to the OBD4 option only. Yeah, I will show you. Here there is a new entry option is there. So we have already created all these one, or else you can just copy those options. What is those options? So I am giving this SAR1, right? So I am taking, so I'm copying all those data that is there in the chart of accounts SAR1, okay, from top to bottom. Okay, here copy this. Yeah, copy is there. Why? Because we have already configured all those configurations. I mean, chart of accounts is there, account group is there, name is there, account from account is there, to account is there. The flow you need to understand. Chart of account is linked to account group, and account groups are linked to the from account to account. That is, accumulated depreciations accounts are there, fixed assets are there, interest accounts are there, other incomes are there. These are the GL accounts only. Okay, so when you post that GL account, right, in the transaction code FB50, okay, those accounts will be taking from this group only, account group only, right? I will give you one example. And you are living in a rent house, and you need to pay that amount to the owner. What you will do? So you do transaction with your Google Pay or Phone Pay. Okay, you transfer that money to the particular owner. Okay, so the particular owner has the bank account. The entry will be rent account data to the bank account. Rent is the debit and bank is the credit. So you need to create these GL accounts in transaction code FS00, and those are controlled by the account group only. Okay, you need to understand this one. You need to create all these one. Okay, this one, this one, this one, fixed assets, interest, other income, all those you need to create. Okay, so whenever you have time, you can just refer these chart of account, account groups only. Okay, whatever I have created, you can just see this one, and as it is, you need to create. Okay, then you can just go to the save button and save it. I'm clicking on the into option. Okay. Yes. So account group also we have created. Then what is the another thing that is left? That is retain earnings. When you go to the transaction code OB53, okay, give your chart of accounts as here R1 is the chart of accounts. Okay, so here you need to know about the retained earnings. Retained earnings account is used to carry forward the balance from one fiscal year to the next fiscal year. Why? Why we are transfer that amount to the next fiscal year? Why? Because I mean, in this year only, you have bought 10 fridges for 20 lakh rupees, and in this year only, you have sold all those fridges for 18 lakh rupees. I mean, how much loss you have made? 2 lakh loss you have made. So that needs to be carried forward to the next fiscal year. Why? Because I mean, within 5 years only, you have to know whether my business is increased or decreased. Okay, whether I have made the profit or I have made the loss. You have to know. You have to get that report from this SAP. So that is why this balance needs to be transferred to the next fiscal year. In the P&L statement only, you can just give. I mean, P&L is the loss, right? And also P&L is the revenue, right? I mean, in the all those revenues accounts and also loss accounts, all those will be included in this P&L statement only. So that is why I have taken this reserves and surplus. You can just take out 100,100, then go to the save button, save it. No changes have been made. Why? Because we have already configured. I mean, we have already assigned. Then just go to the into option. So these are the configurations that are involved in the general ledger configurations. Okay, and then next session only we can create new GL accounts based on the account group. Okay, and after that you will I mean, you will come to know that we can also post, I mean, one entry and also invoice in the transaction code FP50. So whatever the doubts you have, you can ask me, or whatever the I mean errors you will get, you can just ping me. I will try to give the solution for those errors. Okay, no worries. Until then, take care, Venki. Bye.